If you're looking to tighten your abs, you're at the right workout. I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV. If you haven't worked your abs in a while, you might want to try my beginner abs video by tapping the little eye in the upper right corner. Click the subscribe button, the notification bell, and then give me a thumbs up so that other people can find this video.
We have 16 exercises, 30 seconds on, usually 2 exercises back to back, and 5 to 15 seconds off to rest. First up is the straight leg pulse. Get on your back and put your feet in the air. We'll do 5 pulses in a crunch and go down. We're going right into reverse crunch. Stay on your back with your feet up, lift your hips off the ground, and use your core muscles to pull up your hips. Now you get a 10-second rest. Get in a high plank position with your hands on the mat for plank jacks. Engage your core and move your feet like a jumping jack. During a 5-second rest, get into the low plank position on your forearms for the plank with hip dips. Dip your hips from side to side while holding your abs tightly. Next is a short rest and then up and down plank. You'll go up and down from low plank to high plank. Start doing this slowly and work up your speed as you do this exercise video routine over time. Up next is the standard low plank. While you hold the plank, tighten your glutes as well as your core area. Now you get a 10-second rest. Flip over to a sitting position for V-sit bicycle. Sit up and lean back a bit with your hands on the mat. Engage your core muscles to keep the V shape as you pump your legs. A brief 5-second rest is next, then Russian twist. Sit on the mat with your knees bent. Move your torso from side to side. This exercise is great for your obliques. 5-second rest is next. For a boat twist, you'll sit with your knees bent and your feet just above the ground. Twist from side to side with your arms straight. If this is hard, put your heels down for a couple seconds. During the next 5-second rest, you'll get in your back for heel taps. Your head is an inch or two off the ground. Touch each heel with your hand left and right as you use your obliques to control the movement. Now you get a longer rest. Get into a high plank position for the mountain climber. Bring your knees up one at a time as if you're climbing. No rest here. For the plank kicks, you'll also be in the high plank position. Kick each foot under your body to the other side, one after the other. Now you get a 10-second rest. Go down to a low plank position with your forearms crossing horizontally. For the plank rotation, rotate slowly from the left side to the right side, putting the top arm into the air as you rotate. During the 5-second rest, get into the high plank position for the Spider-Man plank. Bring each knee to the side close to touching your elbow, alternating left and right. Now you get a 10-second break. Get into the low plank position for the inverted V plank. Point your butt toward the ceiling and then back down to a low plank, alternating each. No rest here. We're doing up and down plank again. Go up and down from low plank to high plank. This is the last exercise. And that's the abs workout. I like to do this set 2 or 3 times a week to keep my abs strong. Check out one of my other videos on the right side of your screen, and thanks for working out with me.